So guys, welcome back to this transformational vlog of my VW T3. Thanks for joining, to all the new subscribers. So the rain has gone, this is day 9 today, we're getting back into it. A very common breakfast is this bread called batbod, served with butter and honey. Our attention now is moving to other areas of the van, starting now with the more intricate and complex parts. So more progress had happened with the welding in the front cabin. There were however some holes to be welded on the left side wheel arch. We'd used a grinder to clean up the areas that had been previously welded and expose this hole.
What's up, buddy? شو هذاك بالعوج هذاك اللي جايب الحوت ليه ماجيك.
Today is day 9 in the process. How we are?
And 3 days.
We're coming.
3 days was rain.
No, but this is 9 days of work. Not 9 days. You know what I mean? This is day 9. Day 9 with the team. Alhamdulillah. Maybe come on.
No.
No?
He has a shower, I think. He has this amazing thing called a shower in his house. This is the key. This is where we're at. We've been painting, all the grey is like anti-rust. So anytime we're sanding now, we are painting the anti-rust straight on it. There's some welding to be done here. There's some welding to be done here, which could be quite difficult because of where it is and the fact that there's insulation behind. A little bit of a hole there. What else we got? This is all going to be difficult, all this section. Some welding to be done there. And then obviously, yeah, we've still got to do this bit here. We've got the windows, which obviously people might have seen from the last one. And then this was done yesterday, sort of half, so this needs to be finished. Another little hole there, just little bits. Starting also to sand down and paint some of the metal accessories, including this air filter box. Still going strong, brother.
Yeah, man.
Day 10.
عشيري
وهداك
وهذاك عشيري
الحمد لله.
الحمد لله الحمد لله مو مايسترو
معلم.
حلو وسيدي.
تحمس.
تحميس
صباح الخير.
صباح الخير.
وهداك.
Morning everyone.
How are you, man?
Pretty cool.
The dust is getting to you.
Yeah.
The dust has already got me, and now it's got my colleague here as well. Ayub, you feeling the dust? Shria, no? نادي كندي معلم نادي كندا is نادي كندا You'd fight for it, yeah.
Yeah.
So today we are on day 12. Still at it. A project for the summer, yeah?
Yeah.
Which colour?
The same one I got.
The same one?
Yeah.
Just did.
Straight.
Ah. What's happening? How you feeling?
Pretty good. Thank you.
We're sanding all of the cabin.
Yeah.
This is one of the. I think personally this is the hardest thing we've done. I think. No? Yes, no.
No.
No?
Not yet.
Haha. مزيان. وادك. كم يوم الحمد لله يا شيري. اجي زيد لود. جيب زيد لود.
Baby Hulk. It's a baby Hulk.
The guys have been through here, painted all of this. So any areas you can see with bare metal, that's where there's welding that needs doing. So we've still got this that all needs to be sorted, and here we've got some welding to be done here. This whole section is we're not sure about what we're going to do. Here as well is another section that is complicated because of this. Here I'm working here, just taking off a lot of, well, obviously we've got welding to be done here, and there's a piece of metal to be put all the way along, but I'm just working along here, this edge. Got as far as there. So we're here, some welding to be done there. Obviously still got this piece to be welded here as well. And then all along here, we're gonna have to try and work something out. Brad has been hard at it today in here though. Look at this, this has all been sanded. There's only a little bit here to be done, a little bit, but it's generally speaking, it's all now had at least a little bit of sanding, alhamdulillah. We're hoping today to get the welding done. That is the key to this really. A lot of welding. What we think about a day and a half maybe, but it's just a case of getting it moving, you know. Zitun, Rosa. T3, Linda. Yes. Like it's a toy, look. Just like.
This is how we do it. Burn all the shit.
I see it already, it's amazing.
Yeah. Come to see. Come to see. Huh? Huh?
In the floor.
Is it melanotet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically, Brad.
Melanotet.
Still got to do this though, look. Cut this out. At the moment we're just working through. Yeah, right. So this is anti-rough paint. So what you do is any time that we're sanding it down, any time we find metal,
Yes, yes.
put directly on this paint. You know what I mean? And then after. Guys, thank you for watching this video. It feels like a good time to close this one out. We've done a lot of the welding yesterday. There's still a little bit to do, but certainly feels like we are moving in the right direction. So big thanks as always. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and see you in the next one.